Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add players to your preferences on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your or the application on your device. Go to your homepage and then click on this more button that you can find down below in the right side corner of the screen. Here you can see your favorites, so if you want to edit, tap on the edit button in the upper right corner below the settings icon. After that, scroll down to the My Players section and tap on Add Players. Here you can see the top players and you can also browse players by sport. So you can use a search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the player that you are looking for and tap on the follow button on the right side. As you can see, you can follow more than one players, and when you are done, click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen, and here all of the players will appear at this section. If you would like to get rid of any of them, just tap on the minus icon next to their names. So then click on delete on the right side, and that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.